Automated variable depth milling, the key component to ensuring that a smooth surface is established for the paving process, is made possible with Smooth Ride. 2 weatherproof GNSS antennas are mounted on top of your milling machine to track the exact geodetic position and assist in always maintaining the correct course on the road's surface. The MCR3 receiver continuously determines the exact horizontal position of drum, while Topcon's sonic trackers supply a constant and accurate feedback of the road surface. The easy-to-operate and intuitive control box allows your operator to constantly monitor the progress and accuracy of the milling process and supplies as-built information to ensure that your milled surface is ready for the most efficient application of asphalt during the paving process.